Hi, this video today from the Bad Back Gardener is going to be about how my garden is going to lay out this year, the raised bed garden. I'm going to show you how I've mapped it out and where I'm going to be planting what this year. And so we'll do a short video on that. Okay, so every year I do a map of the garden and lay out what all I've plan to plant where, so I can kind of rotate my beds the best I can here. And so this is this year's map that I've drawn up here, so I'll show you how that correlates to the actual raised bed garden. So I've gotten a majority of the beds already prepped this year. This one here I have not prepped it yet, but most of the rest of them, there's a couple over there that I haven't prepped yet, but most of the rest of them have plants in them or are prepped and ready to go. So on the map there you've seen up here, up in this top section up here, where you see the row cover already there. In there I have potatoes planted that I planted not too long ago. They're not popping up through yet. I have the actual row cover. I like to keep row cover on them just to kind of keep it a little bit warmer, but we're expecting some rain and I want to get them a good soaking of rain. So this is going to be potatoes in this bed, and then in the far bed on this section here is going to be some peppers this year. And then the bed straight down from it and the bed next to it, I will probably put a bean trellis of some sort in between them. And I've already planted some onions and turnips in this the furthest or the closest section of that bed here, and I'll probably do something similar to that there. And then we'll continue down that back row there. The next bed will be tomatoes this year, and then that bottom section I'm not sure what I'm going to do with it yet. I don't have anything marked for it. It'll either take the year off and not have anything in it, and I may just mix some compost in it and cover it for the year, or I might, if I find something else to plant in there, I might do that. Now this bed here, right in front of us here, right beside me here, is going to be tomatoes in that bed, and next to it, as you can see, is my early tomatoes that I've had in for a few weeks. They're looking pretty good, but that's my early tomatoes, and then the rest of the bed will be tomatoes as well. This bed right here, as we're walking backwards here, this bed right here is going to be peppers, I believe. Peppers this year. Let me look at the map just to make sure I'm saying that right. Yes, peppers. This one here will be tomatoes, as well as this one here will be tomatoes. That one there, that section is already planted with some peas and onions and lettuce and turnips and some spinach. So that'll be what that's for all year long. And then looking back here, that the middle bed is going to be peppers, and then this one bed up here is going to be cucumbers. Right next to the tomatoes, that will be cucumbers. So that would do it for all the beds. I have 14 beds in all. Most of the beds are 16 foot long by 3 foot wide. There are some, the one bed back there is, I believe, 10 by, it's only 10 foot. That one in the corner is only 10 foot long. It's either 10 or 12 foot, I cannot remember at the time. And then this bed up here, what the potatoes were in, is a 24 foot bed. So, but that's how it's going to go this year. That's how I've mapped my garden out. And that's how we're gonna get it planted. Hopefully we get a good crop this year. So that's going to do it from this video from mapping out my garden here. Thanks for watching. Catch up with me on Facebook. You can also email me at bbgardner@zoominternet.net. And as always, if your back ain't hurting, you ain't working.